This is Project Mimo, an ECD custom Land Rover Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in full gloss Grasmere Green. Project Mimo sits on 16-inch wolf steel wheels with BFG All-Terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a G4 style gutter-mounted roof rack, classic front bumper, ECD custom steering guard, and one LED round spotlight in the rear. On the inside, Project Mimo features an Evander wooden steering wheel with hot rod gauges, Recaro Expert front and mid-row seats, and two inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in Spinneybek Veluto Pele leather, stitched together in grey and black. Mimo is powered by our GM 6.2 litre V8 50 state compliant engine with 6-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with JL audio sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB connection.